Hi, welcome to Triple B Finance Channel.
Every parent dreams of giving their child a better future. But what if I told you there's a proven way to make your kid a millionaire, even before they turn 30? Let's break it down step by step, because building generational wealth starts right now. The biggest secret is time. The earlier you start investing, the easier it gets. If you invest just $200 every month from the day your kid is born, and it earns an average of 8% yearly, by the time they're 30, they'll have over $280,000. Keep that money growing, and by 40, it's over $1 million. Start small, stay consistent. That's the real cheat code. Money habits are learned, not inherited. Teach your kid to save, invest, and avoid bad debt. Instead of paying them just for chores, pay them for learning, reading books about money, starting a small hustle, or investing in stocks. That's how you raise a future millionaire mindset.
Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to Triple B Finance Channel and on the notification bell for more videos. Thank you.